Hey, what is going on? Welcome to the video. Today, we're going to talk about the financial market and specifically Intel. If you don't already know, this season this time of the season is called earnings season for the companies within the stock market, and Intel really put us through the ringer on this one. July 23rd, 2020 was Intel's earning call after hours, and boy, did they let investors down big time with the delay of their 7 nanometer chip, and we have no idea when it's coming out. And if it couldn't get worse on that, their share dropped the following day a good whopping over 10%. Kind of crazy if you think about it. 10% is a lot. More specifically, on the Friday at the closing bell, they were down 16%. Investors were not happy. I don't blame them. You know, what can you do? You want to get out because, the rival AMD, boy, did that go through the roof, almost hitting $70. And I sold my positions way back, went $50 like an idiot. Yeah, so you know how I feel about that. So this definitely will definitely put Intel behind and put AMD ahead. If that doesn't make their heads spin, if it can only get worse, they were hit with lawsuits on Friday for investors to sue Intel for violation of federal security laws. Man, oh God. So what does that mean for investors? Well, if you hold a significant loss, you can sell your positions and hit up some law firms, which I'll include the links down below, that you can fill out and potentially get your money back. So that's a good deal. If you hold like 1,000 or some positions, then you can get rid of that and get all your money back like nothing happened. Talk about luck right there. So here we go. Some Hagens and Berman. Here's your form you can fill out. Investor fraud. A relevant holding period before July 23rd, which was their earning call. If you suffered losses, contact us today. You can fill out this and submit it. Hagens and Berman statement right here. A misrepresentation that concealed manufacturing and performance issues within the next generation 7 nanometer chips. Not only them, it's also Glancy, Progay, and Murray LLP, a leading securities fraud law firm, announces investigation of Intel Corporation on the behalf of investors. Oh my. A leading national shareholders rights law firm today announces that it's commenced an investigation on behalf of Intel Corporation, investors concerning the company and its officers' possible violations of the federal security laws. So if you suffered a loss of the Intel investments or would like to inquire about potential pursuing claims to recover your losses under the federal securities laws, you can submit your contact information at this link right here. So I'll definitely include these down below. And if this pertains to you, go right ahead and fill it all out. It's pretty crazy, right? Man. If only I had a significant amount in Intel. It'd be nice to get my money back and invest it in something, maybe like something like Wall Street Bets. Just kidding, that's gambling, but sure is fun to look at. As for my couple measly positions, I'm going to hold on to Intel. I know it's a big hit, but their balance sheet is pretty strong. Their assets outperform their liabilities. Cash flow seems to be improving a little bit, especially in Q2. So who knows what's going to happen. I'm just going to ride it out, collect a little bit of dividends, and yeah, see how it goes. So that's where we're standing at with Intel. And considering this YouTube channel is tech, and Intel and AMD are both tech, so I thought it was pretty it's good to include that as well, especially I do want to kind of navigate towards a personal finance, so here's a start. So here's my question to you, or questions. Are you in Intel? And if you are, do you plan on selling and getting to AMD? Because I can see AMD hitting 100 here in the next couple weeks. It's only $30 shy, so maybe grab your option contracts, make some buku bucks, or crash and burn and lose it all. That's how they work. But as always, thank you for tuning in to this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe because I do want to do more of these along with coding. And seeing how coding is my day job, it's a little tough. But hey, we'll get through it. Again, thank you, and see ya.